Good morning, dear students, and welcome to the first period of chemistry of new session 2020. The topic for today's class is physical and chemical changes. Changes around us may belong to several categories, and change is a universal phenomenon. Almost everything around us undergo a change. Look at this recent change only of COVID-19. Due to it, your first period of chemistry you are attending through virtual classroom. Otherwise, the first period of chemistry would happen in your school, in your new classroom with new classmates, new bag, new books, new notebooks, and several new things. And children filled with joy and excitement. But aren't you excited to take your first period through virtual classroom? Okay. When we talk about chemistry, then chemistry, as you know, is about study of matter, its composition, its properties, and reactions, chemical reactions. So in physical and chemical changes, we have to understand before going about it about the physical and chemical properties. Physical properties are those properties which we can perceive with the help of our sense organs. Appearance of a substance, color, its physical state, solid or liquid or gas, its odor, its taste, if we can taste it, its touch, hard or soft, its texture, rough or smooth, its density, whether it is a dense substance or light substance. One very easy test that we have been doing for a light and heavy substances, that whether it floats on water or whether it sinks in water, but there are many more ways to find out and understand whether a substance is heavier or lighter. Dissolution in a substance is also one of the physical property, like whether a substance dissolves in water or in a particular solvent or not. And when we talk about chemical properties, then chemical properties are based on chemical composition. What is composition? The type of molecule by which a substance is made. A pure substance is made up of only one type of molecules. Take example of water. All the water molecules are similar and their composition is H2O. That is, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combined to form one molecule of water. So composition of water is H2O. And its physical and chemical properties. There are so many changes around us that we observe. Change of season, day and night, rotation and revolution of the earth, melting and freezing, growing of a baby or growth in living beings, plants, decomposition of matter, formation of coal, raining, snowfall. So many changes we observe around us. All these changes are exciting and there is a reason behind every change. For the sake of a convenience, we have been classifying different substances and different things. For example, living beings into animals and plants, elements into metal, non-metal, metalloid and noble gases on the basis of their properties. And there are so many changes around us that we can classify them under different categories and on the basis of one or other property. Like one of the properties, whether a change happens quickly or it goes very slow. Then we can classify them as slow and fast changes.